Hello, Dwight Norris of fishingatwork.com here on the Charles River. Gonna do some more continued fishing, nothing special today. Just trying out the new Eagle Claw packet rod along with the old Berkeley worm. It's still seems to be functional, and apparently the bass like it if it drops in front of their face. And kind of want to focus on a couple of actual lures in the area and see how they work and which one is most effective. Currently it seems that small curly tail grub, particularly with a spinner, is one of the best things. I've lost the spinner. I only have the actual grub itself, so I'm going to be buying the spinner part of it next. But let's get fishing. So I can get a good spot here for this. This really isn't optimal. Yeah, that doesn't work. Really? Nothing? I need to get a tripod or something to make this work better. Hey, what do you know? So, there's Eagle Claw packet unextended. So, wow, it's raining. I forgot to look at the weather. It is going to be a 50% chance of rain for a couple hours, so it looks like I'm getting wet now. Fantastic. That's what I wanted. Anyway, let's stretch this bad boy out. Make sure when you use a telescopic rod, make sure all the guides are actually in alignment. So, don't want any weird things happening. And I'm really getting wet now. Not what I wanted. I just got here and it starts raining. You ever have days like that where, you know, right when you're about to do something bad happens? Well, guess what? I'm still fishing, so it doesn't matter. Hey, it's just a little rain. Okay, how did I get home with my worm? Somehow I just got snagged on something out there, and my hook is still inside the worm. It must have been the weight. So, the water's really shallow right here, so there's a lot of rocks probably bouncing up against. But see what happens. You never know what's out there. Well, I know what's out there. Maybe I get a little closer here. I have some lots of healthy grass here. On this note, I think I'm gonna take this over to the docks. They have all the structure I need. Well, the old upper side, or you know, closer to the ocean side of the river, for me, that's closest, fails again. And I don't know, maybe they just aren't there. Maybe they're further down the river. Maybe I'm using the wrong bait for this side. Maybe they're smaller. Maybe because it's a wider part of the river, I need a boat. I need a kayak. I need to get to the middle. I need to get to the other side where they have the boat docks and the bridge pylons and all the other cool structure which I'm not able to actually get access to because I'm stuck on the shoreline, you know, shoreline fishing. That's what part of it is about. So, head back to work now, do my job, I'm gonna go back home and think about how else I can go fishing and help you go fishing. So please, go to the YouTube site, subscribe, go to the private Facebook group, join, and if you need help, go to the website, fishingatwork.com, and get the 10-step process to go fishing at work PDF for free by signing on to the email subscriber list, and you'll get other great information as well from me in the future. So, Dwight Norris, signing out. We went fishing, fishing done. Let's get back to work.